Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start as administrator and create a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Open Device Manager and immediately scan for hardware changes. Flagged devices show missing drivers. Run Windows Update and check optional updates for driver packages. Once done, note any unknown devices' names or error codes. Make sure to write down hardware ID from properties details, those ID speed searches, and ensure you get the correct driver. With hardware ID in hand, search the PC or component makers support site and download drivers that explicitly list Windows 11 and the correct architecture. If an installer is provided, run it as administrator. If not, use Device Manager Update Driver Browse to folder. Once done, use compatibility mode for older installers and follow prompts. Make sure to avoid generic or unsigned drivers. They can cause instability. If a package offers a control app, install that too for firmware and version checks. After installing drivers, restart the PC so Windows loads new driver binaries and firmware interfaces. You then verify success in Device Manager by checking the device status and driver details. Confirm version and date match the package you installed. If a device still fails, roll back the driver or uninstall it and reinstall from the saved package. As a key troubleshooting tip, use System Restore Point or Safe Mode to remove problematic drivers before trying alternatives. This prevents repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.